Here's a great tip so you can become a willing bystander.
Fire can be a very scary emergency. We are going to show you right now how to use a fire extinguisher using the PASS acronym. First of all, make sure everyone is away from the fire. Turn off or remove any source of heat like the stove or oven. Make sure someone calls emergency services for help right away. Always make sure you have an exit or a clear path to your back for a quick exit if necessary. Here are the parts of the fire extinguisher: the cylinder, the regulator, nozzle, pin, and handle. Using the PASS acronym, P stands for pull the pin so you can squeeze the handle. A stands for aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. S stands for squeeze the handle to make the fire extinguisher content spray out. S stands for sweep, back and forth at the base of the fire until the fire is extinguished. Once the fire has been extinguished, proceed safely, meet at a designated location, and wait for the fire department. Make sure everyone knows the locations of fire extinguishers. Also make sure you have working smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, a fire plan, and a designated meeting area.
Thanks for watching this video. Now you're a willing bystander.